Guys, mental fitness is so important. Everyone wants to look like the other और ओ ये छुट्टियों पे जा रहे हैं हम क्यों नहीं जा पा रहे हैं. किसी को जिंदगी से ब्लॉक नहीं करना चाहिए, फैंस को भी ब्लॉक नहीं करना चाहिए. People come to me कि मैम हमें भी फेमस होना है. So फेमस ऐसे नहीं होते.
Hello guys, this is Jaiveer Singh and today I am joined by very talented Sunaina for an exclusive conversation on Who's That 360. Hi Sunaina.
Hi, I'm so happy to be here. The pleasure's all mine.
Oh, thank you so much. Let me start with it. It's been while you are in this industry.
Right.
We'll talk about content creation later on.
Right.
But how you look back at your journey in the industry.
Right. So I think it's almost been about 16 years now. Not counting, very few people know that I was a child artist also. So I started working at the age of 8. And I come from a very humble background. It's only been my mother, my sister and me. And no one from my background has been in the industry. So it's been quite a roller coaster actually क्योंकि मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई सिर्फ टीवार बीकॉम तक की और I keep telling people कि जो भी मेरा एजुकेशन है वो ऑन सेट रहा है. डायरेक्टरों की गालियों से I've learned, I've not gone to an acting school, or I haven't had the chance to complete my further studies. So all my learning and experience has been only on set. And I think if I just sum it up in one word, it's been immense growth. I mean, there's still a long way to go, miles to go before I sleep. So when people call me, "Kya re, aap apna success ye wo," I feel there's a long way to go in my head. I'm working towards it. Every day is a new day. And अब तक जब मैं first time कोई नए show के set पे जाती हूँ, I still get those goosebumps. And I don't get that feeling कि oh God कर लिया, बहुत कर लिया. I think also that's what keeps me alive and going. So.
The amalgamation of content creation and acting which you do. So how do you manage your, both is your profession, but how do you manage that balance?
Right. So I also believe, with times, जैसे ये Instagram और social media पहले नहीं था, but I feel that you have to move forward with times. And that's why a lot of television or film actors have started taking their social media accounts seriously, which I personally believe is very important. And yes, if anyone says that अरे हो जाता है, कर लेते हैं हम, मैं तो कर नहीं लेती, बहुत मेहनत होता है भाई ये सब करने के लिए. My friend was chatting with you and she was saying I get up at 4 a.m. in the morning, I create my content, I go back to set on for my 8:30 call time, I shoot the whole day, 12 hours we shoot for, and then I go back. Or sometimes अगर कुछ brand shoot है, I finish that and then I'm sleeping. I'm finally on my bed at 12 o'clock probably and again waking up at 6 a.m. in the morning. So there's definitely a lot of work, but I think I mean it has its perks also. So I can't say कि अरे बहुत struggle है, नहीं, but it has its perks. So I'm all in for it. I mean it gives me happiness because I enjoy doing it. So it doesn't feel like बहुत कर लिया. It doesn't feel like that.
You mentioned about social media, being the game changer. Abhi. Do you feel the number game is, you need to be strong on number game?
So definitely there's a certain pressure. These days they are casting in different forms as per your social media following, which I do not agree with. Absolutely. I also, it's two sides of a coin. Of course you have to have your social media because you have to move ahead with times. But आपकी casting या कोई आपका talent on the basis of followers हो रहा है, that is not something that I promote. And yes, there is definitely a pressure of having a certain number on your social media. But for me, I believe in doing what I like to do. Even if you see my social media, I'm creating content when it comes to dancing. I'm creating personal content, with my husband, with my pet cat. I've just adopted a cat. So I'm just showing myself, and I do not take a lot of pressure. So because I feel कि जो आप खुशी से करते हो उसमें ज़्यादा बरकत होती है. So it's a balance.
But what does it take to stay relevant in content creation or in everything, in every field, if you say?
For me, बचपन से I've been working. So दो चीज़ें हैं. अगर आपको सब कुछ करना है तो you have to be disciplined. you have to have a schedule and hard work there and persistent. You have to keep going on and on. There will be days आपको लगेगा अरे मैंने तो इतना बड़ा तीर मारा है और ये कंटेंट क्रिएट किया है, कोई फॉलोअर्स, अरे कोई लाइक्स ही नहीं है, कोई कमेंट्स ही नहीं. इसका मतलब नहीं that you stop there. You have to take each day as a new day and you have to keep going and keep the discipline and keep, you know, if you think about it, जैसे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, इंजीनियर्स होते हैं, इतने सालों की पढ़ाई होती है, एंड व्हेन दे से कि नहीं यार एक्टर बनने में क्या है, कुछ नहीं करना है, दैट्स अ मिथ. एक एक्टर को भी उतना ही रियाज करना पड़ता है और करना चाहिए, उतना ही डिसिप्लिन रखना चाहिए. The same goes for content creation also. Just keep going, keep honing your skills, and yeah, I mean, I think that's the key.
You know, when we talk about this industry, fitness is major aspect.
जी.
You are supposed to be fit.
जी.
So what is your fitness regime? How you like balance? You talk
जी.
your call time, demanding schedule. So how
जी.
you balance your fitness?
So just correcting, not just this industry, I think we all should be fit. I mean, COVID के वक्त से we realized, you know, people just, you know, getting heart attacks.
Yeah, there's
treadmill पे
major
भागते, right? So that is also, I think, happened because over a period of time we've sort of let ourselves be. So I think it's every profession that should. With me, yes, I would not lie. I am guilty. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. I don't end up because your body needs rest also. So रोज जिम जाना या रोज वो करना नहीं हो पाता है. But I walk, I dance, I do the things that I like to do. And काफी कुछ मम्मी पे भी thanking my genes, so that you know that she's always been petite. So that's how I am. But other than fitness, I'd like to stress mentally you have to also be in a good frame of mind. So guys, mental fitness is so important. So not just how you look, how you feel is very important. So, yeah.
So you know, we are talking about social media.
Yeah.
So what is the biggest disadvantage you feel about social media? Like being on social media, putting your life out.
So see, social media has pros and cons, and it can definitely motivate you. It gives you a sense of expression, because आप जो भी मैं शायद जो television पे नहीं कर पाती, वो मैं social. In fact, I've directed a few short films also, and so that director side of me has come out on social media. I've created a lot of keep creating content, so that is there. It's definitely a lot of positive impact because these small businesses have got so much limelight. But definitely there's a lot of pressure because everyone wants to look like the other, or oh ये छुट्टियों पे जा रहे हैं, हम क्यों नहीं जा पा रहे हैं. So that constant comparison is there. But yeah, you have to just take in the good and absorb the good and just let go of the bad, and that's always been there in life also, that it's two sides of a coin. Good तो है तो bad भी है, and yeah, you choose.
But what does it take to stay relevant?
Like I said, you have to be disciplined. I've already answered that. Disciplined and consistent. And for me, there are lots of people, you know, who say कि नहीं, you're an actor and that's the only thing you should be focusing on and doing, और नहीं हम ये trend follow नहीं करेंगे. I'm not against social media in any way because I am myself there and creating content and loving the fact that I'm doing it. So it creates, I think, just be yourself, have fun, and don't take the pressure of I have to be seen, because then you're not going to enjoy it. It'll take away the fun of being on social media. So yeah, social media is a very big way for me to connect with my fans, जो कि regular basis पे नहीं हो पाता है. So
continuing with that question, you're connecting with fan trolls,
जी,
the unpleasing comments under your posts.
All the time.
So like, how would you deal with that?
I don't deal with it. There are lots of options. There is restrict, there is block. So it's a very funny theory. Spiritually मैं कहती हूँ कि नहीं, किसी को जिंदगी से ब्लॉक नहीं करना चाहिए, फैंस को भी ब्लॉक नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ये जो ट्रोलर्स होते हैं वो आपके फैंस भी होते हैं, तो वो फैंस इन द मेकिंग होते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है मैं उन्हें रिस्ट्रिक्ट करती हूँ. उसके बाद, and this is such a funny thing, you know, that I'm actually saying it now, but जब उनकी comments, I've realized trollers have converted into fans also. जब उनके मुझे अच्छे comments दिखने लगते हैं वो सेम लोगों के, फिर मैं उन्हें अनरिस्ट्रिक्ट करती हूँ. So I never block anyone from my life. I always keep that option कि नहीं, हो सकता है दिल का परिवर्तन, change of mind, दिल का परिवर्तन होगा. And honestly I believe that not supporting them, but I think उनकी जिंदगी में अपना चल रहा है भसड़ जो भी है इश्यूज, तो वो उन्हें निकालने का जरिया आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया है और पब्लिक फिगर्स है. मतलब like, कहाँ अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाले, तो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट इज. सो आई डोंट टेक इट वेरी पर्सनली. ऑफ कोर्स आई फील दैट, बट रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना, कमेंट्स हाइड करना, ये फीचर्स है सोशल मीडिया ने बहुत सोच समझ के ये बनाया है. सो जस्ट यूज देम एंड you don't have to deal with them.
Any dream role you are waiting for?
So I've done a lot of roles. I've done a psychopath. I've done a poor middle class girl. I've done all these love stories. I've done a negative role trying to break people's houses. Now I'm playing this modern housewife जो कि बहुत ही सुलझी हुई है. And yeah, definitely कुछ ना कुछ होगा, but I don't want to limit myself by saying कि नहीं मुझे आगे जाके एस्ट्रोनॉट प्ले करना है या सुपरवुमन प्ले करना है. मुझे सब प्ले करना है. और अभी भी मुझे लगता है, मैं कह रही हूँ ना, मैं अभी भी सेट पे जाती हूँ, आई स्टिल गेट गूस बम्प्स, आई स्टिल गेट नर्वस. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि मैंने 15-16 साल दिए हैं इंडस्ट्री में. मुझे लगता आई जस्ट फील लाइक अ न्यू कमर when it comes to that excitement and energy. I'm still hungry, so it's limitless till now.
One piece of advice you would like to give to aspiring content creators?
Firstly, this whole misconception of even actors कि यार एक्टिंग कर लेते हैं, उसमें ना तो कोई क्वालिफिकेशन की जरूरत है, ना तो बस ग्लैमर है, लोग पहचानेंगे, ऑटोग्राफ्स लेंगे, पैसे बनाएंगे. तो ये सेम मिथ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के बारे में भी है. It's not all rosy and glamorous, guys. It's a lot of hard work. I'm sure you would also agree to that. That all of this requires a lot of hard work and consistency. So make sure that if you're getting into it, if you aim at it, you just see the behind the scenes also. Okay, it's definitely not a rosy, and you will not instantly start getting results. आपने एक शो कर लिया, फैंस आपके घर के बाहर गैदर नहीं होने वाले. That's not the reality of. और if you create, एक आपने रील डाल दी, वो ट्रेंड होने वाला, चलो ट्रेंड हो भी गया, but what after that? You have to be consistent. So a lot of people, actors and content creators आते हैं और जाते हैं, but to stay there you have to go on and understand कि आपको अपने skills पे भी काम करना पड़ेगा. आप ये नहीं कह सकते मैं क्यों रिजेक्ट हो रहा हूँ, अरे मेरा कंटेंट क्यों काम नहीं कर रहा है. आपका नहीं कंटेंट काम कर रहा है तो लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. So you have to keep working on your. So just have a very realistic approach to the profession.
When we talk about social media, fans are very eager to know everything about your life.
जी.
But when you draw that filter that I'll not put this aspect या एक मेरी life का जो ये है हिस्सा I'll not put on social media, where you draw that filter?
I definitely have that filter for sure, because I keep getting a lot of DMs कि ma'am we want to know about this, we want you to put a YouTube video about this and all. That's why I think I've been a little slow on YouTube. I have a channel but I'm not really, because again, being real and then being a certain actor that you are, I feel that definitely there has to be a line. Like you can't go all out with कि मैं सुबह उठी, दांत ब्रश करते करते बात किया, वो ना मतलब मुझसे अब तक वो नहीं हो पा रहा है. सो आई फील दैट आई वांट दैट लिटिल स्पेस ऑफ माइंड कि वो सिर्फ मेरा स्पेस है. सो दैट्स I think I've been doing that perfectly well, and also ये है कि eventually you have to live life, guys. I can't take my phone everywhere and keep creating content everywhere, so that's not me. Hats off to people who are able to do that, but that's not me. So I live also a certain personal life, so I respect that too.
Okay, so just share few tips. I'll giving you option. So one skincare tip that you want everyone should know about it, irrespective of gender.
See, like I've already stressed the importance of mental health, because mental health means sleeping right, eating right, doing all of that. So I feel skin and all of that is something that shows from within. So that is a very important thing. You have to be mentally happy. आप कितना भी makeup डाल दो, you do the right things, but sometimes if you're not in the right zone, it won't work. So that is something, and I can't begin to stress the importance of whatever you think here is what's going to happen in your entire body. You know, even if it's a small pain in the hand, it is related to your mind. Some part of your thinking or your perception has been blocked. And I don't want to talk about this, बहुत लंबा subject है, but when you get into healing, बहुत सारी चीजें आपको समझ में आएगी. So skin is also a part of that. But yeah, I mean, do the basics, sleep well and eat well, moisturize, and yeah, for men or women, irrespective.
One tip about social media.
Tip about social media is keep going. Just keep going. Don't get stressed about followers नहीं है, likes नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, वो होगा. Just keep going. And I also feel that don't keep copying people because वो already अपना original एक बन गया है. So you have to find your vibe. You have to find your content and your niche. So yeah, and one thing also that sometimes when I see people stresses me out that validation is become so important on social media कि वो लोग अपना पर्सनल लाइफ कंप्लीटली भूल चुके हैं बिकॉज दे फील कि अरे हमें फ्रेंड्स से यहाँ पे नहीं मिला ठीक है, बट सोशल मीडिया में मेरे फॉलोअर्स तो मुझे लाइक कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज मेसिंग अप योर मेंटल थिंग आल्सो बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट रियल, इट्स वर्चुअल. So yeah, keep a balance.
When you would like to break about industry or content creation?
I think I've already said that. I said that this thing of when people come to me कि मैम हमें भी फेमस होना है. So फेमस ऐसे नहीं होते और फेमस अगर आप हो भी जाओ तो भी बहुत एक स्ट्रगल है. आज स्ट्रगल इज नॉट द राइट वर्ड बट बहुत कुछ काम है उसके पीछे. there's a lot of hard work, there's a lot of you can't be a one project success or a one reel success on social media. You have to, there's constantly a lot of work and hard work. Only if you're ready for it, then come. Don't think लोग अपने गाँव छोड़ के आ जाते हैं. Don't think because I feel कि वो लोगों को बहुत गलत impression है about glamour. उनको नहीं पता है कि कितना कुछ होता है. There's so much that there are so many failures. I've been rejected at more than 100 auditions. So there is rejection, and then suddenly these guys feel oh shit ये हो गया, so give up on life. They get so depressed. So just keep your I am saying this, I hope someone watches it, but keep your expectations very real when it comes to creating content or when it comes to acting or anything in this field that's glamorous.
Thank you so much. That's it from our end.
Thank
It was
you.
a lovely conversation.
Loved it.